Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can remove an epic link from your work item or issue on Jira. So let us dive right into it. In the first step, head over to Jira site and select your project from the left panel. Let me go with this Kanban project here. So guys, what you want to do next is switch from the board or list view here to the backlog view to get the best overview of all of your ongoing work items and issues, including also epics. If you don't see ongoing epics in that list, guys, simply enable them in your backlog view settings here in the top right and select epic panel. Toggle it on here to the right. So here, as you can see, guys, to the left in that list, this project features one epic, and it is a parent epic, and I added it as a parent work item to other work items here. You will see that here in that column. As you can see, that work item here is connected to that parent epic. And now I would like to remove that parent epic and unlink both of them. So this is how you can do it. Click into the given work item to access its customization. And here you will see these three dots in the top right. Click into it and select change parent. And after that, click into the drop-down menu and either select another parent work item in your project to assign it or to link it to that work item here, or simply click into remove, confirm, and there you go. As you can see, the epic has been removed as a parent work item from that issue here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.